All right. Going on, we can make different observations about space using different parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. Don't write anything unless I tell you. I do want you to write this. Optical telescopes allow us to magnify visible objects. Optical means eyes. So, telescope allows us to see things bigger, see far away things bigger. Similar to a microscope, but instead of, it's not because they're small, it's because they're far away. So, optical telescope. I want you to write this down. A reflecting telescope uses mirrors to focus an image of an object being viewed. Very, very similar to our microscopes. We have reflecting microscopes. They use a series of mirrors to enlarge something. If you remember from our microscopes, everything was the opposite. So if you moved what you were looking at left, it appeared to go right. Right was left, up was down, down was up, all that. Reflecting telescopes use mirrors. Refracting telescopes use convex lenses to do the same thing. Convex is like bulged out. Concave is like the inside of a spoon. Convex is like the spoon from the bottom side. It's bulged out. We use refracting mirrors in our everyday life. If you've ever ridden the bus, there's those circular mirrors on the front. Those are refracting mirrors. Okay? If you've ever looked at yourself there, they kind of look, make your face look bulgy and kind of weird. The purpose of those is to give the bus driver a wide range of vision. Okay, they have to be able to see, if you look closely at those mirrors, they can see under the wheel. They can see all the way around the bus. So it's important so they can see that some little kid isn't laying under the tire or standing right next to the bus. So that refracting mirror helps them. We have them here in school at intersections. That shiny mirror up top, that is a refracting mirror. It allows us to see if someone's coming around the corner so we don't run into them. Convenience stores, gas stations. A lot of times we'll have refracting mirrors in the back by like the pop and stuff so they can see what people are doing back there, so they can see if someone's trying to steal something or things like that. So a refracting telescope uses convex mirrors, those bulged out mirrors, to see an image. The Hubble telescope is a reflecting telescope that was put into space in 1990. And we get a lot of cool pictures from the Hubble. You don't need to write anything here. But advantages of using the Hubble telescope is it avoids distortion from the atmosphere. Okay, if we put the Hubble as a satellite around Earth, it can take pictures without there being clouds in the way or rain or anything like that. Okay, so that's one of the benefits. Another is you can use it day or night. Doesn't matter. There's enough light to do it. You don't need to write this. Observatories, buildings that house large optical telescopes. I think the Washington Pavilion has an upstairs with an observatory, a bunch of telescopes, and like a partial glass ceiling. Stars and other objects release other electromagnetic energy into space. You don't need to write anything here. Radio telescopes used to study radio waves traveling through space. You can use it anytime. It's not distorted. That is it for our notes.